Hey everyone! In this video, you will see how to turn OnceHub's recent bookings into a social proof pop-up that builds trust. Let's dive in. Let's connect OnceHub with WiserNotify. Go to your WiserNotify app. Make sure you have created a lead activity notification. Click on Customize Leads Activity Notification. Go to the data source and click on Add Integration. Search OnceHub and click Integrate. Now, log in to your OnceHub account. Click on Settings and select APIs and webhooks. Now copy your API key. Now go back to WiserNotify app. Paste the API key. Enter a name. Click Create. Now close the integration pop-up and make sure to select OnceHub in the integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one data. After integration, once you have a new registration, it will show new lead activities. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it. You're all set to display recent bookings as social proof pop-up.